So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to format text as a subheading here on the Notes app. So example, if you have a title, you have a heading, and you want to do a subheading, I'll show you how to do all three. So you just have your text, it's very basic. Now, if you want to change the subheading to a subheading, highlight it right here, go to capital A, lowercase a, go to where it says subheading just like that, and it'll do that. If you wanted to change this to heading, you can do that. And if you wanted to change this to title, you can do that as well. Now, once you're subheading right here, you can go ahead and actually turn it on, turn it off. Now, if you want to go even further and maybe customize this even more, you can highlight the text or do what you got to do. Go to formatting right here, and there's a bunch of different options, right? You can, so let's just say you wanted to make the title, I don't know, you wanted to make the title centered, you can do that. If you wanted to change the subheading text right here, you can change this to font. Open up this, you can make it, larger, smaller, do what you got to do. You can change the color of it. You can do a bunch of different stuff. You can change the typeface, the style, the collation, the collection, etc. Basically, that's how you guys can do a subheading. So if you guys were to go below that and you wanted to go back to normal, we can go ahead, type in body right here, and it'll be just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to format text as a subheading on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.